Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anessa. I am the Crafty Author. I am going to let you know that I have put all of the items that I have for sale in my Etsy shop, and that is craftyauthor.boutique.com. And I'm going to show you the things that are in there that are available to you for purchase. So I'm doing some cleaning out of some things that I have that I've over purchased, or just things that I don't use in general. So hopefully somebody can get some good usage out of this stuff. So this is tulle. I make ribbon tutus, but I've purchased too much tulle. So this is 54 by 40 yards of tulle in the light blue. I also have it in this purple. I'm going to be selling the tulle as a set. So there's 6 in the set, in case you're interested. The bags have never been opened. I've got it in red. And this warning on the bag here just says not to let little kids play with the bag, which seems to be common sense. Pink, lavender, and black. And like I said, 54 by 40 inches. 6 of them. So I'm going to just toss those aside for right now, because what is next is what you've all been waiting for. So I went through and I put all of my scraps in bags. They're all in 1 gallon bags. They are not ironed. They are not perfect. They are just, some of them have been cut. Some of them haven't. Some of them have a lot of fabric. There's a good amount in these bags, as you can see. Okay. So that's number 1. This is bag number 2. Bag number 3. And these are available while quantities last. Today is April 23rd, 2021. So once they're gone, they're gone. Here's bag number 4. And there's a mix of cotton, there's minky, there's flannel. This is bag number 5. Six. Number 7 comes as a set. This has a lot of fabric in it, by the way. And when I say a lot, I mean like it's folded fabric. This has some terry cloth in it, and it also has some denim scraps in it as well. This is scrap bag number 8. This one has lots of fabric in it. This one has a lot of the Dr. Seuss fabric in it that I was cutting. Number 9 is strips of all different sizes in there. And number 10 is minky. And there are some good size pieces of minky in here as well. So those are the scrap bags. All right, the next thing that I have up that will be in the store are these little pacifier holders that I've been working on. They clip onto the baby's clothing. You just push this little lever up here. It clips there. I'm at a weird angle here. Hang on. Trying to get this on my clothes. Oh, it helps if you're not dumb. I didn't clamp it down right. Oh boy. And then you put this little elastic piece through the pacifier, and it goes through here like that. And then the baby's pacifier is attached to their clothing. Okay. So this is a set of 2. This is the Flintstone one. And then here is a neutral one with some little white flowers in it. So that's the first one. So this is number 2, or there's 2 in this bag. This one has 3. Again, we have one of those neutral colored ones with the pink clip. This is what it looks like, completely secured there. And then this is also double secured. They're all like that. I made a bunch for my grandson, so trust me, they're very, very secure. Because I wouldn't want anything but the best for him. So the same for these. Okay. All right. Next one is 3-pack. This would be perfect for a little boy, because this one has a whale. The little whale. And Dr. Seuss. And then, of course, Baby Shark. That's a 3-pack. And then I have a 5-pack for a little girl. So these would make excellent shower gifts. If you don't know what to get somebody, these are awesome. My daughter loves them, and my grandson carries it on his little PJs all the time. And what's really nice about these is that they're washable, so you can wash them if they get dirty. And you know, with babies, everything gets dirty pretty quickly. So there's this really pretty purple one. Really cool pink one. Polka dots. I think this fabric is so pretty. And then, of course, this one is flannel, and this is a gray and white polka dot one. So that is it for the pacifier holders. If you need a shower gift, there you go. All right, so the next thing that I have is I have 4 of these Sophie's Pumpkin Patch Quilt Kits still left over. So there's only 4 left. Everything that you need to make this entire table runner is included in here. It's a beautiful, beautiful quilt kit. I love putting it on my table, so I know you will too. So make sure you grab one of these before they're gone. All right, also for sale in the store is this really cute little keepsake sack. This would go great for any baby shower, maybe even with those little pacifier holders. This is the little bag, so this can be used for diapers, pacifiers, wipes, some clothes, if you're just going somewhere really quick to throw it in there. It comes with this little bandana bib. And also this really cute little receiving blanket. It's just a single piece of flannel, which is perfect for, especially for summer for a baby. So have that one, and you just put this in here, and you just close up the little drawstring like that. Okay. Next is the Fly Quilt. That is it's a patchwork quilt. The back is flannel. Super soft on the back. It's a really beautiful quilt. Be cute for a little baby. Okay. Next, I have some rag quilts left over. So these are also in the shop. This one is the baby the baby sloth with the mama sloth. So if you like sloths or you know somebody who does, this is the perfect blanket. This has minky and flannel. It's super cute, really warm, really warm. I have 2 of these. So there's 2 of those available. Especially if you had twin girls, that would be a perfect gift there. This is the really cute bumblebee with the gray minky, gray polka dot flannel on the back side. These rag quilts go really fast. So if you're interested in one of them, you might want to grab it. This one was actually my favorite to make. This is the Belle fabric from Beauty and the Beast. It's beautiful with this really soft red minky. I don't know what it is about this minky in particular, but it's really, really extra soft. And then it has this beautiful pink, almost like a pink grungy backing. It's just a beautiful, beautiful rag quilt. So grab them while you can. So that's it. That's what's going to be in the store. So make sure that you go over, you check it out, get your items, because once they're gone, they're gone. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.